Hey, you ever tried fried crappie tails? They are delicious. So I tell you what, sit back, stay tuned, and I'll show you what you've been missing.
Shooting that buck from a 20-foot stand, show you how it's done. Hunting and fishing and big buck wishing and shooting my old shotgun. Show the kids how to gut that deer, get 'em out off their butts. Backstraps and tenderloins, you eat everything except for the guts. Get outdoors and put down the phone, you ain't living life while you're sitting at home. So sneak away from the wife, get out there living life.
Hello again. So you've never tried crappie tails. Well, this video is for you. You're going to enjoy this. It's real easy to do, and it's well worth the trouble. The first thing I do is I always fillet the fish out. I guess you could take the tails off first, but I don't. I just go ahead and fillet them, get that meat off of there. Get that side off. Okay, and then the funny part about it is even though the crappie tail is super thin, you'd think you'd be able to cut it with a knife, but you can't. I have a really sharp Rapala fillet knife, and as you'll be able to see, it just will not go through it. So the best thing to do is just get a pair of scissors. Any kind of scissors will work, and just use them to remove it. Go start at the base of the tail. You don't want to get any of that meat, or it's like gristle right there. So just make sure you're cutting off just the tail.
That's good.